To fix a leaky toilet seat, turn off the water supply to your toilet by turning the valve clockwise. Remove the lid of the toilet tank, then flush the toilet and hold down the handle until as much water drains out as possible. Use a cup to remove any remaining water from the bowl and tank and soak up the last bit of moisture with a towel. Turn the compression nut on the water supply line counterclockwise to disconnect the line. Then, pry the caps off the washers at the base of the toilet with the end of a flathead screwdriver. Some caps may also twist off. Use a wrench to remove the nuts, bolts, and washers under the caps. Hold the toilet under the bowl and gently rock it back and forth to break the old wax seal. Then, lift the toilet up and set it aside. Scrape away the old wax seal and replace it with a new one. Make sure the seal is perfectly centered on the flange before setting the toilet back in place. Put the washers, nuts, and bolts back and reconnect the water supply. Turn the supply valve back on and flush the toilet several times to make sure there are no leaks.